Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Conn's account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Conn's website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once loaded in, go to your account settings. Look for a section labeled Security or Account Security where you can manage your authentication options. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Isrock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options for receiving your authentication code, such as via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code in the provided field to confirm your choice. Finally, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Conn's account. Always remember to keep your authentication methods secure and updated.